Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mahbub Noor Education Site. Viewers, in today's class I am going to explain you about very beautiful poem, that is Beauty, which have been written by E.A. Shore. We will move on to see some information about the poetess E.A. Shore. E.A. Shore, her original name was Louise Abaita, who took born in the year 1926 on September 9 in New Mexico, USA. USA is United States of America. She died on July 21, 2014 at the age of 87. Her nationality was America, Isleta Pueblo. Her occupation was a good author, a good poet, and a good educator. She became very famous for her work, I Am a Pueblo Indian Girl. We will move on to know some information about this poem. In this poem, we are having 3 stanzas. Each of the stanza is saying beautiful things about the beautiful things that could be seen, that could be heard, and we can feel the beauty through the heart respectively. Next, we will move on to read the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. The second stanza is beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. The third stanza is beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. We will move on to explanation now. In the first stanza, poet is describing about the beauty which we can see in the daytime. We can see the trees at the daytime, we can see the birds at the daytime, and we can see the peoples who are working in their fields. That means the farmers who are working in their fields to grow the crops at the time of harvesting, they are dancing. So all these beautiful things we can see at the daytime. In the second stanza, poetess is explaining very beautifully that we can hear the beauty at the time of night time. When the wind is sighing, sighing means the wind is taking breath. That is the sighing. At the time of night time, we can hear the beauty. At the time of rainfall, also we can hear the beauty. When the singer is singing earnest song, that time also we can hear the beauty. So in the first stanza, beauty is we can see, the poet is describing here, and in the second stanza, beauty we can hear. Next, in the third stanza, very beautifully here poetess is explaining that beauty is in yourself, that she is saying beauty is in ourself only. How it is in ourself means good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. The good deeds in our life, good deeds in our life, and happy thoughts which we are thinking, we should think happily, and happy thoughts we have to think about good deeds that repeat themselves everywhere we are, whether we are at our dreams, whether we are at the work site, wherever we are, whether we are in our rest time, wherever we are, we have to think about the beauty by doing the good deeds. So like this, if we do, we will easily see the beauty in our dreams, in our work, and in our rest time also. We have to think about the happy thoughts. I hope you understood very well. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you all can easily get my all notifications. Thank you.